What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Now in this video I'm gonna show you a very cool free traffic method that works really nicely with MaxBounty offers. It could typically work with other offers as well, but in this example MaxBounty offers are gonna be perfect. And so this is an involved method. Free traffic methods require some work, but you do not need a website. You do not need a domain. You just need to follow the steps I'm going to be outlining in this video. You just need to pay attention and pay attention very carefully. Do not miss anything because I'm going to be explaining everything in greater detail in this video. So pay attention, and then if you have any questions, make sure you watch the entire video and then you can ask me later on. All right. So the first step that you need to do is you need to basically figure out what kind of offers, what kind of niche you want to promote. Now, for the purpose of this video, we're going to be focusing on work from home offers, okay? Obviously, MaxBounty has a lot of offers. You can just go into categories. They have a ton of different offers, but, I'm going to be focusing on work from home, kind of work from home opportunities, make money online type of offers. But you can apply this to any kind of niche, anywhere you want. It doesn't really matter. And so one of the quintessential kind of work from home offers is this inbox dollars, right? So if you type inbox dollars, you're going to see this offer right here. So if you do that, you click search and you're going to see that. Now, some offers you're not going to be approved for, some you will be. So you want to check that checkbox. And the resulting offers are the offers that you're approved at. And so we have a couple of options, right? We have some iOS app, Android app. We have a regular inbox dollars US. It's $2.80 per lead, 27-cent EPC. We can basically open that offer just to get a better look, just to understand what's happening. And it's $2.80 per lead. Inbox dollars pays members to read emails, take surveys online, play games, and go shopping. New users also receive $5 for joining. So pay attention to this, because this is a benefit for users that you can tell them later on in the video. I'm going to explain how to do that. And so this is an example of one offer. Now, you can promote one offer, but a much better way is to promote multiple offers together. That way you can potentially make a lot more money, right? If you're just promoting one offer, you're going to make up to $2.80 per visitor. But if you're promoting, let's say 10 offers and they're all around, let's say $3, you could potentially make $30 per visitor, right? 30 is more than $2.80. So it's a better system, okay? And so if you want to, in order to find other offers that are very similar, what you want to do is you want to basically go into this category, right? It's surveys USA. You can go into surveys. I would recommend just going into USA because you're going to find offers for the USA market. And basically you have a lot of these offers. What you want to do is you want to click on my approved offers, so you don't need to apply. And you have a list of offers that you can basically collect together and promote them together to people. I'm going to show you how to do that. But before I do that, I want to explain to you another thing. The next thing you want to do is you want to go into Google Docs. It's absolutely free for everybody, right? Everybody with a Gmail account, with a Google account, has access to Google Docs. You want to create a document. And in this document, you can basically write something like this. Here are some ways to make money from home. You can modify this. You can use exactly what I have here. And then what you want to do is you want to list the offers. Now, you can have one offer, but I don't really recommend it. I recommend at least 5 offers. The more, the better. You can even put, like for instance, if you go into MaxBounty here, you have like something like 30 offers or something like that. And you could potentially list all of these offers there. It's really up to you. You can list, 10 offers, 20 offers, doesn't really matter. I have 5 offers as an example. And so what you want to do is you want to go and basically fill it out. So for instance, the first offer is going to be inbox dollars, right? And you want to list the benefits. So if you go to inbox dollar, the benefit is new users also receive $5 for joining. And you're going to go and paste this, and you're going to say you will receive, or you can just put new users receive $5 for joining, or you will receive, or you could put something like this, receive $5 just for joining. And then you could put something like sign up here, and then this is going to be your MaxBounty link. So if we go back to this offer, you can build a tracking link, and this is going to be contextual. You're going to do a raw link, and you're going to copy this and you're gonna go back to the document, and you're gonna press Command K or Control K. You're gonna paste the link here, and that's it. Now you're gonna do this for all the offers, right? So you have, offer 6 and offer 7. I recommend at least 10. Obviously, the more the better, but you don't want to do like, you could potentially do 50 offers if you'd like, but I recommend at least 10. 5 is too little, 1 is too little. At least 10 is my recommendation, okay? So it's gonna say receive 5 for joining. Then you're gonna go to the next offer. So let's say a swag box. Swag box is a big one. So there's Survey Junk is a big one. Opinion in is a big one. Swag box is a big one. All of these are very popular and very profitable offers. And so you can go into swag box, do the same thing that I'm talking about. So for instance, we can go into swag box, multi-geo. So let's say I open that offer. Let's take a look. And what they're telling us, sign up for Swagbox, $5 sign up bonus now, right? And so there you go, right? You can redeem your Swagbox. These are benefits. These are user facing benefits. These are your benefits. These are affiliate facing benefits. These are user facing benefits. They have no use to us as affiliates, but they're very important to users. So you want to go in here and you want to put Swagbox, or whatever the way they spell it. And then you want to paste this here, $5. You can redeem. That's it. You can just copy and paste it. It's fine. And then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to build a tracking link. You're going to do contextual raw link. Copy this. You're going to go back here. And you're going to go sign up here. Okay. And now they can potentially sign up for both of them because they're going to get $5 bonus here and $5 bonus here. And on all of these offers, or at least the majority of these offers, are going to have sign-up bonuses, which is great for you and great for the visitor as well. And so I'm not going to do this because it's going to be very monotonous and repetitive. And so basically you want to do this for the rest of these offers, if you want to have 10 or 15 or something like that. And you have a whole list here in MaxBounty. If you're not using MaxBounty, go sign up for another network. They're going to have these offers all over the place. Just basically Google Swagbox. And you're going to see other CPA network, or go to offervault.com and you can basically type Swagbox in there and you're going to see it there. All right. So once you do this, right, assuming you have it all filled out, let me just do it just to show you what it is. Offer 9 and offer 10. Okay. Let's say I filled out 10 offers. You want to go into file and you basically want to click on share. Okay. And you're going to click on save, right? We have to name the document, right? We're going to call it work from home offers, okay? Or awesome work from home offers. We're going to click on save. And then what's going to happen is we're going to get a link, right? We're going to have this link. And so restricted, only people added can open this link. So we're going to change it to everybody. And anyone with the link, anyone on the internet with the link can view, right? We're going to copy this and we're going to save it somewhere, right? We're going to save this link. And you can also... I believe you can also shorten this link as well. Let's see. We can do viewer, commenter. Yeah, you want to set this to viewer and you want to basically anyone with a link. Yes, that's absolutely fine. I believe Google did it so you can shorten it. So you want to copy this. It's a long file. You want to shorten it. So how are you going to shorten it? You can go to Bitly. You can go to Rebrandly. You could just Google URL shorteners, right? And so for instance, let's say I go to Bitly. I go to Bitly, I Google for Bitly, I go to Bitly, and I go into Bitly, and what I do is I paste this Google link and I shorten it, and then I have a short link, okay? And it's a lot better, short links are a lot better to do it. Now, we are not going to be sharing this link directly, okay? It's a much more sophisticated method. And so the next thing that you want to do is you want to basically go out and you want to create a Gmail account, okay? It's going to be a separate Gmail account from the one you use, right? And once you create it, you basically go into settings here. And once you're in the settings, you're going to go into general. You're going to scroll down and you have this vacation responder. You're going to turn it on and it's basically going to start it from whichever day you're currently at. And you can specify it. I just recommend basically specifying it as the first day. You wanna deselect this because it's gonna go on basically forever, right? Because we don't need to stop it. Subject could be something like, your work from home your customized work from home opportunities, right? And then you can basically put something like this: hey there, thanks for sending me an email. Here are your customized work from home ideas. And then we're gonna paste the shortened link. So if you go back to Bitly, we copy and paste this, and we go back to our Gmail account, and that's it, right? And so now you have an autoresponder set up. So whenever somebody emails this account, they will automatically get an autoresponder that you have it here, right? And that's absolutely fine. I'm going to explain to you why that's a very, very cool method. Now, the only thing is you want to call the email, right? You don't want to have it like a spammy looking email. You want to call it like a real serious email. So something like, side hustle ideas at gmail.com. You wanted something cool, right? Something legit. You don't want to say something like work from home opportunities and then a bunch of digits, right? You want it to be, you want that email to look good. You want it to be credible, right? You want it to look good. You want it to look legit. It's very important. Then you have it set up. And so every time they email you here, you're going to have a link. And once they click on the link, it's going to open this document here. It's going to open this. And obviously, they will not be able to edit it like I can right now because it's my document. They are going to see it in a read-only mode, which is perfect. And then they can basically look at this and they can go to the offers and sign up, right? Now, how do you get the traffic? Okay, this is the most important thing. The way you get the traffic is you basically go to different places on the internet where there are people specifically looking for work from home opportunities. An example is Facebook. Go into Facebook. Everybody has a Facebook account. Type work from home, right? And then you have groups. Business opportunity work from home. 162,000 members, 5.7 thousand posts a day, 280 posts a day, 34,000, right? I can just click on see all, and I'm going to have a lot of this, right? So I have a lot of them. And what you want to do is, I will show you some of the other ideas as well. But typically, you don't want to go out and spam. And that is why I created the system. I don't want you to go out and start spamming direct, MaxBounty links or start spamming, your document, right? You want to be legit. You want to be like, hey, you want to start a conversation and then say, hey, I know I've been using, I know some really good work from home opportunities. They're very special. Not a lot of people know about them. If you want to know more, just drop me an email. And you want to have that personal touch, right? You don't want to have this bot. You don't want to make it come off as you're some bot that's going around and just spamming people, right? You want to be legit. You want to start a conversation. And then when they send an email, it automatically sends a response with your link, right? You don't need to respond to these emails. All you need to do is get people to send you an email. And then, they send you, you're basically advertising the email. You're not even advertising the website, right? You're not spamming your URL. And that's why it comes off a lot more legitimate and less spammy and scammy than if you're just sending links. And, links are fine, right? But everybody's spamming links right now. And so it's spam, right? 99% of the time. Emails are different. Emails have a personal touch. And so on Facebook, you have a lot of groups. You're always going to have a lot of groups. Affiliate marketing, 200,000 members, 61,000 members. And you're not really spamming. You're inviting somebody to send you an email to continue this conversation. And it comes off as less spammy. If you go into Google and you basically type something like side hustles, work from home ideas, make money from home, things like that, you're going to find basically forums, right? Here's one forum that I found. They're talking about it, and you wanna basically either so one really cool idea is you wanna open a thread, right? You can like forums, they have threads and they have posts, right? So this is one thread with multiple posts. This is 15. This is post number 16, right? That's how forums work, right? And it's the same thing on Facebook. It's the same thing on these independent forums. And so what you want to do is you want to basically start. You can do it one of two things. You can start a thread and say like, hey, does anybody know any good work from home opportunities? And then you can get people to start like contributing, and then somewhere like maybe post like reply number 6 or 7, you can say something, oh, by the way, I know some really good ones. If anybody's interested, send me an email. and I can send you some really good ones. And that's one way. Or you can join an existing thread and basically start talking about it there, right? That's another method. That's another way of doing it. And so both of these work. There's a lot of forums. There's a lot of different communities. All you need to go is basically go on Google and type something like work from home forums. Okay, that's it. And you're gonna have, look at this, all of these warrior forum, right? Work from home forum, right? And it comes off as less spammy because you're not spamming your affiliate links all over the internet, right? So you have here, and you can go in here and you can say work from home jobs, and you want to do forums, right? You don't want to just do jobs because you want to come in where there are people on it. So the most important thing is that they're forums, they're general forums. Then there are also niche forums, right? So work from home forums is a niche, right? Work from home is a type of niche. You can also go into MaxBounty and you can basically try something else, right? There's educational, right? Educational sites. And you can do the same process. You can basically go into Google Docs and create a document that says something like, here are 10 sites where you can learn how to code, or you can, learn some education, like. And an example of that would be Treehouse, right? So if I go into MaxBounty here and I type Treehouse, I believe that's what it's called, Treehouse, learn how to code. We already approved for it. It's $240 per lead. This is a niche where it's about learning how to code. So that means you have to go into forums where people are learning how to code, they're exchanging ideas, and you could be like, oh, by the way, I just joined the site. I know some really good sites. They have free plans. If you also want the plan, just drop me an email. I'm going to contact the owner. I'm going to send you. And it's going to be all auto-responded, right? And so there's a lot of ways of doing it. And this is a great method. I've used this method. I still use it for some of the other niches that I promoted because it's free auto-responder, right? You don't need to pay. Now, of course, I pay several $100s a month for like an active campaign software, and you can there's a link to it in the description if you want, and I build a big list and all that. But if you're just starting out, you want something for free, this is a solid method because you don't really need to interact with the user and you're not spamming your affiliate link all over the place. A lot of people are spamming their affiliate links inside my own YouTube channel as comments. Of course, I delete all of them because, well, you can't really spam on my channel, right? My channel, there's no spam on my channel. I don't really allow any spam. But if you have constructive dialogue, you want to really contribute, that's fine. Just don't spam. And so this is a much better method, is that you're building value, and then they can send you an email, and then you can continue this conversation, right? So you can use this for anything. You can go on Warrior Plus. You can find offers there. There's a lot of really good offers on Warrior Plus that have to do with making money online, for affiliate marketing, and just for entrepreneurs. And this is also another good idea. So here's Warrior Plus. You can basically go here and you can join them. You don't need to be approved or anything like this. Anybody can join. You can basically go in here, you can log in, or you can sign up for free. You don't need anything, and you can promote a ton of amazing offers. But obviously I'm focusing on MaxBounty here. You can use it for free. So this is a really nice method for promoting all kinds of very cool offers. All right, guys. So that is all I wanted to cover in this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash the like button, comment on the video, and when you automatically comment, you get entered into the giveaway that I pretty much do every week or every several days, typically closer towards the end of the week, where we basically give out something interesting. And usually it's some kind of a monetary reward straight to your PayPal account. So leave a comment. I'm going to be picking random comments when the giveaway comes, and you can basically participate, and you will be automatically entered into the giveaway. All right, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more stuff like this, and I will see you in the next video.